Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're gonna be snaking out a bathtub today and get everything going. This is the first time I'm gonna be trying the 2-camera setup. So let's see what we can do. I am gonna be using the Milwaukee M18 drain snake. All right. So the toilet or the bathtub is backing up when they, I believe, run the kitchen sink next door. That's what we believe, just with the color of the water. The toilet's fine. Sounds like we got the management coming in as well. So right now we're just going to be doing that. Yeah.
Hey,
How's it going, man, dude?
okay, good. What happened yesterday?
Well, the bathtub's backed up.
So, how are you?
How am I?
Yeah,
I'm not too bad. How are you, man, dude?
good.
You good?
Yeah.
That's good. How was your weekend?
Yesterday I was not here. I went to Ottawa. I got another grandkid.
Nice. Congratulations.
Thank you. Son.
Yeah. I am sure. So just born?
Just the last Thursday, the second of August he born.
Really, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, so it was a boy?
Boy, yes.
That's good. We got it.
Yeah. A little bit powerful than the other thing, the other normal.
No?
No?
No. It's about the same.
Same.
I like this one though because it's an auto feed.
Yes, yes.
Like I don't need to actually force the cable down.
Oh, auto, this is auto feed, right?
Yeah.
Oh, that's the
Yeah.
thing.
Yeah, no, I love this machine. It's from Milwaukee, right?
Yeah, very okay. And then the other thing, we have to push that thing, and if gloves get wet,
Yeah. No, you're exactly right, and it's like, so I like this one.
oh, nice, this one.
So I'll just make sure this drains it down all the way. How long has this been plugged up for? Do you know? How long has this been plugged up for?
Probably this weekend, whole weekend. I was not here. From last Thursday, Friday I was not here.
It's the kitchen sink next door, right?
Oh.
Look at this.
Oh, yes.
That's
yes.
coffee grounds.
Coffee grounds. Oh, yes, yes, yes. My God, that's saving.
All right.
Yeah.
Let's get this in the wash.
Bad combination this one.
What's that?
Bad combination. Chicken skin drain and bathtub drain. Right?
Yeah. So you were just in Ottawa for the weekend?
Yeah, last Friday I went there.
Nice.
And we was my second son has another young son, 3 years old.
Okay.
Then he couldn't take care of himself. Both my wife over there.
Okay.
Lita went there.
So how was Ottawa? Good?
It's okay. Yes, some rain. It's okay.
You drove down?
Yeah, drove down along 401. And actually, he lives in Canada. Canada is a few, the 20 kilometers away from Ottawa to this side.
Okay.
Yeah, then it's okay.
That's good. That's great. Definitely good to hear. All right. I think we're good here, man, dude. All right. I'm gonna close this for a minute. I'm gonna sign out and I'll be right out.
All right.
All right, guys. This has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Until next time, Taragna. Alright guys, this has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Until next time, Taragna. You guys hear that?